Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and stick around because I got something to mention to you in a couple minutes. First of all, I'm looking at a bounce play on Semiconductor. As you probably know, maybe you don't, but they reported earnings that just absolutely really sucked. And the market rewarded them with like a 22% drop in a day. Now, I was tempted to buy this into the close just because of the idea of, well, it's gone down enough. But actually, it hadn't gone down enough. It kept going. And then yesterday, the stock, this was on Tuesday, the 31st. The stock fell a bit more, kind of stabilized, but definitely lower than it had been on the prior day. And so I watched this yesterday, and then again, a bad close. And then today, it opened right around where it closed yesterday. I don't know, up or down a penny or two. But then it was fairly strong all day. Right here. So this is the turnaround for me. If you are a bounce trader, if you like to buy these oversold things, you got to understand that this is way outside the second Bollinger Band, which is against the law in statistics. So you got to look at this still as a buying opportunity. And so the way you could do this is, you're buying the stock here, and then you've got to stop just slightly below today's intraday low of 61.47. I mean, you'd put it at 61.46 if you want. The bottom line is you just don't want to be in the stock if this is not the low. So you can check that out. Okay, now I am going to be starting, probably be another week or so. I'm going to be starting my fast track orientation, which for various reasons, one of which was litigation. I took this down a while ago, probably 2 years ago, and I have since updated a lot of videos. I've created new videos, all of these designed to, in the aggregate, get you from where you are now to a better place in your trading. There'll be, I think it's definitely over 10. I think it'll be over 11 hours of material that you'll be getting over like 6 or 8 weeks. And so I want you to watch for that. Even if you're just a free member here, you're on my email list, but you're not on your trial membership, or you're not a regular member, you'll still be getting the first few tutorials. So watch for those. And then, look, full disclosure, here's what I'm trying to do, just so you know. I don't like to keep secrets because I have a bad memory and I forget what I said. My idea is, as you're on the free email list, you're just getting my videos, and I'm glad you're getting them. I hope you're making money with them. I'll give you like 3 or 4 tutorials in the first part of the fast track with the ethical bribe. That's ethical. This is what marketers do, being like, hey, if you like these, why don't you pay $7 to get a 14-day free trial, and then get even more of them. And then at the end of that 14-day free trial period, you're going to say, oh my gosh, I have so many more videos to go, so many more lessons. I've got, oh my gosh, I've got like, I don't know, 9 hours, 8 hours of video still to go. I think it's worth becoming a member for that. So there. Now you know my marketing plan. Nobody else will tell you that crap. I do. So that's what I'm trying to do. I hope you pay attention. I hope you get on the fast track, and let's go make some money.